So I'll attempt to troubleshoot this. Let's just isolate this, and I don't see any obvious thing. The thing that I'm concerned about with the UV map, some of these look like they're crossing over into the other quadrant, and it might not be liking that. So I'm wondering if that is what the problem is with the UV. So I'm just scaling that in, just making sure that's all safely inside, and it looks like it is. Also, this is overlapping. That should all. Let me just do Control L to let this out, and then scale it in a little bit. I mean, you may have nicely laid out the fingers. You should nicely lay out the fingers, but I'll let you do that. Um, and then let's also run mesh cleanup on this. Mesh cleanup options under remove geometry. Check everything down two faces with zero geometry area. Cleanup. Let's see if it says anything in the results. Just clicked on this little script editor thing here. Warning, no items to clean up. Okay, well, and let's delete history off this too. Alt-Shift-D to delete history. Okay. And, oh, you already have multiple materials associated with this. That also might be confusing, mudbox. So I would, do you just assign different materials to different faces? Is that what's going on here? Like, select objects with material. Is that what? Yeah, you just assign it. So that might be throwing it off. Let's assign a new material. Lambert. Okay. All right. So that's all kind of more normal now. Now let's try sending to mudbox. Send to mudbox. Send as new scene. Ah, okay. Incomplete UV set. Hmm. All right. Um. So what is incomplete about this UV set? So let's run. Just select all the verts and let's run edit mesh merge because it made it sound like there were some verts on top of each other. And let's just delete history and then try it again now. Oh, okay. So we've got a new problem. Um, it doesn't like how close some of these are together too. So we'd want to spread those out. But let's see if it's possible to paint now. I mean, it seems to be painting, so let's just as a test. Just gonna do that, and let's update in Maya. Update. Oh, let's put this in. I think what did I do? It's 50. Okay. Torso texture. Okay. 6. Okay. So it is working. I mean, there's some errors, but it is working. So I would just proceed. Then what else did you ask? Yeah, I mean the geometry seems okay to me. I wouldn't sweat too much about those errors as long as you can get it to work. I would just maybe kind of organize your UV maps better. And you were saying in this other version, I don't really understand what the error is that you made. You're saying, I'm not sure what I did wrong, but this is before I made this error. This is after. I don't know. Yeah. Anyway, where is that putting the... Yeah, it's nice if you just put it straight in the source images directory like I did instead of having it in the random mudbox directory. Alright, well let me know if that helps.